پارٹیوں آج آپ کے بھائی کو انوائٹ کیا ہے UBT نے، جہاں سے آپ کے بھائی نے گریجویشن کی ہے، بیچلرز اور ماسٹرز دونوں، اور یہاں پہ آپ کے بھائی کو انوائٹ کیا ہے کہ آؤ اور اپنی پارٹیوں کو دکھاؤ جدہ کالج آف ایڈورٹیزمنٹ. تو یہ آپ لوگوں کو کون دکھائے گا؟ میں دکھاؤں گا پارٹی، میں آ جاؤں.
Hello everyone, my name is Raneem Salim. I am the head of the Industry Relations Unit at Jeddah College of Advertising at the University of Business and Technology.
مس رنیم جو ہے وہ ہمارے ساتھ JCA میں یہاں پہ ہمیں پورا ٹور کروائیں گی کہ JCA کی گیم کیا ہے اور یہاں پہ کون کون سے کورسز ہوتے ہیں، کیا کیا ان لوگوں کے پاس سین ہے، کیا کیا ان لوگوں کے پاس فیسلٹیز ہیں. یہ ساری چیزیں ہم لوگوں کو یہ بتائیں گے، اور ویڈیو کے اینڈ میں آپ لوگوں کے لیے ایک زبردست قسم کا سرپرائز بھی ہے، چیک کیجیے گا.
We have three majors. We have advertising management,
Okay.
and we have advertising communication, and we have advertising creative design. We have got the studios. We have multi-million studios. I'm going to show you the studios. Start with, as we said, that they study filmmaking, they study recording these sounds when I want to make a movie or make a film. So how do you do this? You do it in the studios.
Okay.
The studios are equipped with everything that they need. Even the cameras that they need to shoot with are provided by the college for rent. The walls are 25 centimeters thick to isolate everything for the students, and they can have the entire experience that is very quiet for them. They can also play music and record if they need it for the ad. And also we have another one in here for them to use.
Cool.
Yes, they study how to make the sounds and how to make them from scratch and record them as well. This is the control area, or what they call the control room. And here we record the experience of...
Wow.
Yes.
Like it's zero echo.
It's zero echo.
I can't
Yes.
hear my voice. پارٹیوں یہاں پہ فل ساؤنڈ، مطلب ساؤنڈ پروف گیم ہے. اور یہاں پہ جو انہوں نے بتایا کہ جس کی دیواریں ہیں وہ 25 سینٹی میٹر موٹی اس کی دیواریں ہیں، اور ساؤنڈ کا مطلب ایسی گیم ہے نا کہ آپ کو ایکو اتنی سی بھی نہیں سنائی دے رہی ہوگی. آپ لوگوں کو اندازہ ہو رہا ہوگا جو آواز باہر تھی اور جو آواز یہاں پہ ہے اس میں زمین آسمان کا فرق ہے. اور یہاں پہ آپ کو وہ والی فیل آئے گی ایسے when you stand up here. اور یہ سامنے آپ کا پورا سین بن رہا ہوگا. here is the mic and wow، یہ اوپر ہو جاتا ہے ظاہر ہے.
The photography and video studio. This is the control room for the video studio. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Go. This is the studio.
Wow.
I know. It's every filmmaker's dream.
It's love.
It is. In here they have their practical courses as media production, photography. They learn how to produce, they learn how to take pictures. And we here on the college level, we use it as, for example, taking the pictures for the employees. We use it to take pictures of the staff as well, because we have a media unit in here as well. In here they change the backgrounds. In there we have a dressing room they can change fast. And also, as you can see, the walls are isolated. And here we have the cameras as well. As I told
big
you,
machines,
like,
big toys.
Exactly. Each one costs a fortune. And in there we have also the background place to shoot products as well, to teach them how to take pictures of food or products if they are shooting an ad for a product. And the reflectors, everything is equipped in here. And as I told you, they can rent the cameras for 2 or 3 days, depends on their project, and they bring it back to the college as well.
Wow.
Auditorium, so they get the classes in here, and we have all of celebrations and everything in this room. The design studio, from its name, for designers. They have classes in here to practice designing. They sketch, they draw, they do everything, and you can see a sample of the students working here. For example, revamping the Google logo for Ramadan. And in here they can use watercolors and everything, and they draw and they clean up. It's fully equipped.
And all the studios, if I'm not wrong, is for students.
Yes.
Perfect.
Inshallah, in the new campus, it will be available for rental as well.
Okay.
For anyone who's interested.
Okay.
Remember when I told you that they work on making campaigns and launching campaigns? So in here we display a lot of the students' work.
Okay.
Okay, these are 3 projects by the students. For example, this one is for the creative design major. They design a campaign from A to Z as their final project, okay? In here we have a student, her mom has a local brand called Hawand. It's about spices and local spices.
Okay.
So in here, she made everything for her mom. She made the brand, she made the logo, she made the mission and vision, everything that is related to the brand, she made it. And now it's one of the most famous spices in here, in Jeddah, yes. When women started driving in Saudi Arabia, so it's a campaign to raise awareness and tell women that they should be careful and how to fix your mirrors, how to fix the tires and everything. The good thing about this campaign, or the highlight of this campaign, that the 2 students that worked on it got the chance to sell it to a major car rental company here in Saudi Arabia, and he bought it from them for about 80,000 riyal.
Wow.
Yes, and they split the money and they enjoyed it even before graduation. In here we have the National Day campaign for 2020. Every year, the College of Advertising, we launch a campaign to support the vision of Saudi Arabia and to celebrate our National Day. So because it was COVID breakout that year in 2020 and 2019, we couldn't go and do something that is more practical than this. So we collected about more than 1,500 pictures for the students and the university, and we created a picture of the founder, the king, and the crown prince. We have an event every year called Innovation in Advertising, INAD. We like to inform people and educate them about advertising. We invite people from the market to educate our students and the public who are attending the event about advertising. The first event we had to launch this. This is a work by the students and the instructors about the history of advertising in Saudi Arabia. Those are very old ads from our childhood that we remember. It's since 1993, 1977, and how this evolved to be the way it is nowadays, and now we are teaching people about advertising. We have an event called Forward, which is the annual exhibition for the college.
Okay.
In this exhibition, we display all of the work of our students, the best of them, to make them or to make people from the outside see the work of the students. For example, people from agencies, people from companies, they get the chance to see the campaigns and, for example, hire them, give them a chance for a scholarship or even buy the project. And most of the students participating in this exhibition, usually they get their job offers from the exhibition, and most of the time from their co-op training. Every time they train at a company, they get the job. They get the job. In here, we were supporting women driving. It was JCA's Car Academy in collaboration with the Saudi police. They gave the students and the instructors and the attendees of the event information about driving. Students were trying to change the tires of the car. They were taught how to use everything in the car, and they got advice, and we were one of the pioneers to launch such an event. In here, it was called Biladi Alena Tnadi. It's the National Day campaign in collaboration with STC. They gave us a huge budget, and the students traveled to 13 cities of Saudi Arabia, and they took pictures of the cities. This is Neom, before it was publicly announced to everyone as Neom, and they had plenty of fun in there, and we were encouraging the local tourism before it was like a trendy big thing now. We started that. We call it the Wall of Fame. And here you have all the events from the College of Advertising.
Faisal Ghazawi.
Yes, Faisal Ghazawi. He's a very good friend of ours. We have also Haneen. Haneen is one of our creative students who now works with Al-Nahdi, and she sings as well. So we support the talents as well. And we have a student who is a chef. We have a student who, most of the students, either they have their own businesses or they have other things. So this is what we call the Wall of Fame. In here you can see the Milan summer course.
Okay.
They travel They went to Milan to study, and they get to know the advertising from another perspective.
Like the comparison.
The comparison. They learn about the latest trends. For example, in Italy, how do they do it? How do they teach people about it? They went to Milan, they went to France, they went to the UK.
Wow.
And when they come, they can finish their courses according to what they learned there. And of course, every year we go to Dubai to attend Dubai Links. It's an international conference for advertising, specialized in advertising. They attend it there, they participate in the conference. It's one of the things that we support the students with, so they can connect with people, different cultures, different nationalities. It's very beneficial for them.
And we can't forget Hamza and Hannah Iskandar. Allah yarhamhum.
This is the lab. We have like 4 labs in here, fully equipped with Mac computers.
Wow.
Yes. Work, anything a student needs is provided in here. They also have their own username to download Photoshop and Illustrator and all of the packages for their work. And they can use also the labs in college to do their projects and finalize their work as well.
Perfect.
In here, yes.
This is the lab, right? پارٹیوں ٹور تو یہاں پہ ہمارا کمپلیٹ ہو گیا JCA کا، لیکن اب ہمارے ساتھ ہیں JCA کی ڈین. ان سے پوچھتے ہیں کہ یہاں پہ کیا ہونے والا ہے اور آگے فیوچر میں کیا ہونے والا ہے، اور ایک زبردست سرپرائز جو میں نے آپ لوگوں کو بولا تھا اس کے بارے میں ہمیں بتائیں گے کہ ایک نیا کیمپس بننے والا ہے. چیک کریں.
Assalamu alaikum. We're really happy and proud to have the followers of Mr. Salman with us at UBT. He's a graduate of this university from the bachelor degree and the master degree, and coming back today and sharing with you our creative college of the University of Business and Technology, Jeddah College of Advertising. I hope that you enjoyed the tour. I just want to congratulate you, as we mostly are getting ambassadors, VIPs, ministers, and now we have you among our VIPs visiting our college and getting to know more about it. If there is one thing that I always hear from our visitors, it's that they all wish that they can study again and do their bachelor degree here, because truly to study in a place where you have all these multi-million facilities of the studios, you saw the video studio, you saw the sound studio, the lab computers, it's something out of this world truly, because students are studying on the labs and studios of the highest specifications that are now used in the top satellite channels around the world. So we're so happy to have that here. And the great news and the special news for Mr. Salman's followers is that we are moving to our new campus very shortly, by the seaside. If you know Ash-Shalal theme park, it's just behind it. We can see the seaside from our windows.
Wow.
The building is finished. We're only waiting for the operational license to get all our students and move there and wait for us. You'll be having a VVIP tour from the campus as soon as it opens to the tours. Thank you so much. We really appreciate this opportunity to have you at Jeddah College of Advertising.
Most
with you
welcome.
is Dr. Haneen Shoaib, the Dean of the college, and my door is always open. Please come, visit, ask. It's your chance to get to see the whole facilities.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Haneen. تو لیڈیز اینڈ جینٹلمین، خواتین حضرات اور پارٹیوں، آپ کا بھائی نکل چکا ہے JCA سے. اگر آپ لوگوں کا ان کا فی اسٹرکچر دیکھنا ہے، جو بھی کچھ دیکھنا ہے، یہ ان لوگوں کی ویب سائٹ لکھی ہوئی آ رہی ہے. یہاں پہ جا کے آپ لوگ سب چیز دیکھ سکتے ہیں. آرام سے آپ لوگ یہاں پہ آ کے ایڈمیشن لے سکتے ہیں. ساری فیسلٹیز آپ لوگوں کو دکھا دی ہیں. چاہے آپ لڑکا ہوں یا لڑکی، آپ آ کے یہاں پہ آرام سے پڑھ سکتے ہیں. اپنا بہت سارا خیال رکھیے گا. چینل پہ نئے ہوں تو سبسکرائب کر دیجیے گا. اور ہاں، یہ والی ویڈیو سب کے ساتھ شیئر کیجیے گا، کیونکہ اگر آپ کو نہیں پڑھنا تو کسی اور کو تو پڑھنا ہوگا ہی ہوگا. ٹھیک ہے؟ ہاں.